Hey, good morning guys, how's it going? Or good evening, wherever you are in the world. But yeah, just a quick video this morning. I fixed my quad that I crashed in, I guess I can link this video right here. And fixed it up, put the stuff back in a wizard body and waterproofed the whole thing with some conformal coating. So what better morning to test on than a foggy, wet, dewy morning like this? So we're just gonna go for a little quick flight, nothing too crazy, just to make sure everything's working, because I also busted one of the antennas on the FiSky receiver, so now it's not a diversity receiver anymore. It is, I don't know what it is, but we won't push it too far. So yeah, see how it goes. Oh, sorry. See how it goes. Bye. We got conformal coating on all components and hot glued connections for now. So yeah, see what happens. Cheers, folks. So, wet grass landing for sure. Actually, I didn't try to hit this wire on the way in. I didn't see it because I couldn't see much with the lens. Wet like that. I'm gonna have to get some Rain-X or something on there. Let's see. Oh, looks, I don't know if anything's got wet. Oh yeah, there's water on everything. I had to tape the battery, but I put the conformal coating on the connection points, or the connection points with the heat shrink points. Yeah, so yeah, no short.